All right, guys. Welcome, guys. Welcome to today's session. We'll start right now. This is 8:03. Um, can everybody hear me clearly, please?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm clear. Okay. Um,
Well, your screen is
yeah,
different copies of the
yeah.
doppelgangers.
Is an is an infinity mirror. Sorry. Let me
Mm-hmm.
just. So this one, you guys are seeing this.
Yeah,
Image.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Why are people messaging me? This is what I just said. Oh, come on, guys. Please, let's keep this place sane. I beg. If you're not talking at the moment, mute your mic. Who's that? All right. Okay, so there's some things I want to address first of all. Um, what was the first thing I wanted to address? Okay, yes. So I wanted to talk about assignments. All right. So for your assignments, what I would just be asking you guys to do is just to um watch the meetings. All right, watch the meetings for assignment. Just watch the meetings. Then I will teach you something. I will teach you anything about in the meeting. So every meeting will learn something, and then I will ask you guys to go to the chat and find an example of that thing that I taught you. So that's just it's very simple. So I may ask you to find 20 cases, 10 cases. Cases means that examples. You understand? So I may just tell you to find maybe a trend line. I will never give you trend line, Sha, because I don't use trend line. So I may ask you to find a trend like this and then send me the picture. Okay, send like 20 of these. So for example, now I ask you to find trend line pictures and you should find 20 cases. So what you do is to so basically all your assignments, you just find some cases of certain occurrences in the market. So if I say find an order block in the market, you go and find an order block, annotate it. So for example, now this trend line is an annotation. You can see on my trading view. I came here. This is a trend line sign here. I can come there and just put a trend line on my chart. Okay. So that is an annotation. I can, if I'm looking for a rectangle, I can come to this place. I can find the rectangle there. Or, okay, this is not where rectangle is. I can come to this place, find a rect.
CJ, I mean it. If you get want to get a better view of the chart, you can put your phone horizontally. You still get a better view of the chart.
Okay, yeah. You guys should put on full screen, I beg. Sorry. Yes, thank you.
Yeah, put it on full screen and then horizontally so you get a clear view.
Yeah. Thank you, my guy.
Like you're watching a movie. Don't put it like that.
Oh, people want to join. Sorry. Oh.
Sorry, if you can zoom it, you can able to zoom it. You cannot see it well.
Okay. So if you guys are not seeing clearly, just put your phone in full screen. All right. You guys will see it clearly. Just put your phone in full screen. Okay. Put your phone in full screen if you're not seeing clearly. I just wish I can get when somebody is trying to join, so I will know how to accept. Okay. Anyhow, Sha. So for your assignments, I'll just need to annotate your chart. So you may draw if it's an order block, you may draw a rectangle there, and then maybe say settings. Then you just write text. You can say activate text here. I'm assuming that you guys have learned how to use TradingView, Sha, because I sent you guys a TradingView tutorial. In those free resources, I gave you guys TradingView tutorial. So you may just write something like order block or OB, anything. You say okay, right? So if you write order block, you can change the position of this text as well. So once you write all these things, you can now take a screenshot. For example, you come here, you say take a snapshot. You can see here. Let me expand it so that you can see clearly. You can see this camera icon here. It says take a snapshot. So you just click on it. It will give you some options. Number one, save chat image. Number two, copy chat image. Number three, copy link. So what you can just do is to go to copy chat image, for example, now, or you can save the chat image. But I feel like that one is long. It's a long process. Copy chat image. You can now create a Google file. So if I go to Google Docs, for example, if I go to Google Docs, I can come here, open a blank document, and I'll just say I'll, I'll just paste that image here. Remember I said copy chat image on TradingView. So I can just paste the image here. You can see my chart now. So and I say maybe I write number one first, case one at the top of the document. Well, let me just write here, case one, trend line, trend line, example on daily charts of Euro USD. All right, so you just do this one, then go to your chart, do another one, do another one, do another one, till you reach the number of cases I ask you to do. Then you now save your document. You can just put the document title as um day two, assignments, and probably put your name so that I'll know who wrote the assignment. Put your name. Maybe your name is Bola Ige. I don't know. Right? So you now come and save your file. Then once you save it, you export it and then submit it to me. So that's just basically how your assignment will look like. So I just decided to show you guys how the assignment will look so that you guys will be prepared and you will not find it difficult when I start giving you the assignment. So that's just basically it. So I'll delete this file here. So I think that's easy enough now. That's straightforward. Do you all understand?
I don't get you.
You don't get you don't get what?
Like this, some system now, Google, the software is using different from what other people are using, so it will affect.
Okay, mute yourself first. Mute yourself. You guys. Chidi, Abi. Chidi, what's his name? Chidi Uto. Your background is noisy. Just try and get into a quieter place. You're participating very well, but try and get into a better background. All right. So basically, I'm using Google Docs. Everybody has Google Docs. If you are using your phone or your PC, there's Google Workspace on it. Or even if you don't have Google Docs, you can go to Play Store and find it there. All right. So, or you can use anything. You can use Word, any text editor that you have that can easily do this kind of thing. Just use it. It's not compulsory that you use the Google Docs like me, but I like using Google services because it's just very easy to use and all that. So yeah, that's basically it. So you understand what we're supposed to do, right?
Yes, we do it straightforward.
Uh-huh. Thank you. All right now.
Yeah, yeah.
So the next thing I want to address is that um at the end of this training, I'll try to complete this training within like a month. I'd like us to complete everything within a month or 5 weeks tops. You understand? So I want you guys to prepare $10 to $30 that you deposit in a forex account. Waste and practice. Okay, so we make some money, we may not make any money, but it's just for you guys to get that experience of trading. So our main goal will be to take like $10 now, for example, to take it to like $40, from $40 to take it like 100 or 200. So from there, we may apply for prop firms. Everybody here, you understand? So it just may not go that far, but That's just my plan right now. So I just want to admonish you guys to get $10, get $20, get $30, deposit it in your Forex account. If you have the money now and you don't know how to go about it, just holler me. I will put you through on how to deposit into your Forex account. So just get some money. $10 is usually the minimum that you can deposit in most brokers. So that's what I'll advise you guys to get, at least maybe 6,000. So we're looking at 6,000 naira to 18,000 naira. I don't think that is much. You understand? So we're just going to use that one to practice at the end of the training. But during this training, we're going to be using demo accounts. Yeah? But at the end of the training, I believe that with the help of these assignments, you guys will have gotten to a certain level of proficiency that is very, very nice. So that's just my belief. And so, yeah, that's just basically it. Get $10, deposit it, and I will trade alongside you guys too. I'll also get my own $10. All right, so that's clear, right?
Yeah, sure.
All right.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
sure.
Okay. So today, we our topic is market structure. I should have opened. I should have opened the course outline before I came here. Sorry, guys. Please hold on. Okay. 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 So it's not even market structure we're starting with. You can just imagine. All right, guys. So the course outline here says that we'll start with why the markets exist. All right. So now, why do the markets exist? So when we say markets, we are referring to various financial instruments like crypto. Crypto is digital currency that has value according to people's perception of how much is worth. Same thing as currency, just as currency is more regulated than crypto. All right, currencies are backed or controlled by the government. So that's the only difference. Crypto just works based on how much people feel it should be worth, and it is decentralized. Currencies also work the same way. Their value is based on how much people think is worth. All right. So the reason naira is falling in value is because people don't believe naira is worth that much based on Nigerian economy and other factors. The graph. So the financial markets refer to the forex markets, the crypto markets, the stock markets. Stock markets are those markets that you trade the value of a company or a business. For example, they say Tesla, you have Tesla shares, you can buy Tesla shares, and then as the value of Tesla is increasing, as Tesla are doing more awesome things, their share price will increase. If Tesla makes bad decisions, their share price will reduce. For example, there was this time that Elon Musk was trying to buy Twitter. I think he later backed out, but the first time he had plans to buy Twitter, some of the Tesla shareholders they sold their stock and then the thing tanked because probably they sold it because of uncertainty of how the Tesla stock will perform later on the um based on the purchase of Twitter and all those things because Twitter is like Twitter stock is just like ranging for a long time. It doesn't really grow like that. Twitter stock just like how will I put it? Some of you may not understand what ranging means, but ranging is just like something that is not going up or down. You understand? So Twitter's share price was just like staying in the same range for a long period of time. So people may not feel that Twitter has that much potential. So that's why they may share they may sell their Tesla stock because Elon Musk as the owner of Tesla is buying Twitter, which doesn't have much potential. So that's just basically why people may sell their stock. So back to the main meeting. Stocks are trading the value of companies. All right. So that's what stock market is. Why does this thing keep giving me this notification? So what was I saying? The financial markets are crypto, stock, and currencies. All right. So you can see crypto traders, forex traders, and stock traders, futures traders, the people that trade futures. That is, futures are virtual examples of real life products. For example, gold. Gold is a future, or is a future, sorry, because you are not actually buying and selling real gold. You're just buying and selling virtual gold. All right. So you are trying to predict the future price of gold. You get me? So you are trying to predict the future price of gold. That's what they call it future. So you can have gold futures, coffee futures, so many other futures. There are just many different things, like many different commodities I can trade. There's coffee, there's maize, so many. Copper, silver, all these are futures, you understand? Then there's indexes. Indexes are um how will I define indexes? Indexes are like mathematical calculation of the value of certain things. For example, the value of the top 100 companies in US is called Nasdaq. So they calculate the value of all the companies, all the top 100 companies in the US economy, and then they now post on the chart, and that will give us Nasdaq index. There's US 30, top 30 companies. There's S&P. I think I don't really know what S&P is, sha, but there's the one for the UK. There's the one for um, Germany, etc. You understand? So financial markets, sha, financial markets are, how do I stop getting this thing? Okay, yes. So financial markets are just these things that you trade and make money. Simple. So why are the markets existing? Number one, to facilitate global exchange. So um, we can facilitate global exchange with use of the financial markets. For example, now the crypto market helps in facilitating payments. So you're in Africa, before you send some money to somebody in the UK, it will take a long time. It will take a lot of processing. But with the help of crypto, which is part of the financial market, you can easily send that payment and to get to the person within minutes. So that's what we mean by facilitating global exchange. All right. So we also have that it is beneficial to certain people. So, for example, now the forex market, everybody is crying about naira's exchange rate. All right. But you won't believe that that naira exchange rate is very, very beneficial to certain people. Okay. Some people, imagine that if you walk into a bank right now, you should see a board. Okay, you see a board where they write buy, sell, USD, pound, dollar, blah blah blah. You understand? So the rate at the bank is different from the rate at the black market, and it's not as if the bank don't know the real rate, or the black market don't know the bank rate or whatever, or they cannot make them the same or very similar. The only reason why they leave it like that is so that people can benefit from it. That is the people that are running the team, people that are running the show. You get, imagine taking like 500 million naira, for example, and then going to the bank and buying naira at maybe 450 or 480. You understand? So you buy naira with that amount of money. That's in naira. You buy dollar, sorry. You buy dollar with a huge amount of money, and then you go to the black market and you sell those dollars for maybe like 600 and something million naira. You just made 100 million naira in one trade. You understand? So people are in Nigeria that are doing that kind of exchange over and over and over and over again. You understand? People are doing it here. So it is beneficial to certain people. Um, it is. I'm very sure that if right now they want the world to have just one currency, it's possible. It's possible for the world to have one currency and everybody will be using that same currency. But it is beneficial to people or institutions that it stays this way, that different currencies, I mean different countries have different currencies because of these discrepancies. These discrepancies are very, very advantageous to people. That's why they won't go anytime soon. You understand? So that's another reason why the financial markets exist. And then the third reason is to fleece large funds. So if you are trading the forex market or you have some experience, you may have heard about maybe institutional trading or bank trading, like the banks or whatever they call it, all these buzzwords, you understand? So um the idea is that there are people who come to the forex market apart from you and I now. There are banks, institutions, different agencies that come to the forex market to trade and make money as well. You understand? So um, the central banks or the bigger banks are in it to actually kind of like scam these people of their money. You understand? So they invite them with the pleasure of making huge amount of money. Okay, but then they attack those people's trades. You understand? You may have a broker one time now that maybe during the night. This has happened to me even recently. During the night now, let's say you have a trade, the broker will just like spike the price up and down, and then anybody who is around that area, their stop loss is taken out. All right. So banks do such similar things. You understand? Even your broker do those things. When you sign up to a broker, you are signing up to actually, or how will I put this? When you open a forex account with a broker, in the agreement, it is there that you are allowing them to do such things. You understand? Because they're the one that are presenting the price to you. Oh, who omitted himself now? Thank you. So you're allowing them to attack your own trades. You understand? You're giving them that permission. All right. So I don't know. I'm spending too much time on this talk. I need to quickly move on to something that is useful. All right. So purpose of price action. Now looking at the chart now, it may seem very random here. You understand? But it has a purpose. It has a purpose of why things are like this and why it moves the way it moves. You understand? So the first purpose here is provision of liquidity. All right. So you can see that the market moves up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down in circles seemingly. You understand? So the reason why it moves like this is to provide liquidity because if it doesn't move in a regulated manner, not so many people will participate. You understand? Because look at this price, for example. Um, this is one line here, and I'll put another line over here. Okay. So now this is this price is 1.23. Now there might be some kind of persons that want to buy at 1.23. For example, now they want to buy. They say, okay, if Euro USD gets to 1.23, I want to buy euros because that means that euros are very strong. So there may be some people like that. And if the price doesn't get to that 1.23, those people will never be involved in the market. So that's why the price must drive up there and get those people into the trade. All right. Same thing as someone that wants to buy at 1.20. At a certain period of time, the market has to go down there and pick those people at that price. If not, those people will not be involved in the market. So the price is regulated so that everybody that wants to be involved will be involved. You understand? You cannot tell me that you were in the forex market, for example, and you waited for like 2 months or 12 months and the price never ever got to where you wanted to trade. It's not possible. Okay, it's not possible. And that is something that is very deliberate. So that's why the markets are designed like this, moving up, moving down to carry everybody along. You understand? So equal participation. I think what I explained has also covered this, and price regulation as well. So the central banks are in control of the markets. I think I put this thing down in the basic those resources I gave you guys at the beginning of this training. So the central banks are in control, and the reason why they need somebody to control it is because if nobody controls it, the price in the market can just go haywire. People may just buy euro, buy euro, buy euro. Imagine that is only people buying and selling that actually control the price. That means that if people buy, they can take euro to 12 euros per dollar or $12 per euro, whatever. It can go super high or super low without control. You understand? So that's why we have to regulate price. That's why there has to be entities to make price go slowly up, down, up, down. When it goes up, it will still come down a little bit. You understand? So price regulation. That's just basically it. So yeah, I think we've completed this part. Let's just get all the boring parts out of the way first. So you guys should just be patient. So we'll get to more interesting stuff very soon. So now, how to get the best of this training? All right. So I think I've said this in earlier, but I just thought to put this thing on the course outline so that you guys be very, very aware of it and you guys know that it is very, very important. Okay. The way to get the best of this training is to practice. You understand? So I want you guys to know that practice is very, 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 very important as a trader. You get so um most people that are successful, you understand, they have seen one thing so many times. There's this saying that says that I don't know whether it's from a movie or something. Get one move and master it. Like get that one move and train yourself to the best, refine it to the best that you can refine it to. You understand? So for example, now let's say you just choose that it's only trend line you want to use and trade, trend line and support and resistance. You do it over and over and over and over again. If you do it like, let me say now, you guys are new now. If you just learn this thing and you don't do anything about it, you just go to the chat and start trying to make money. The difference between a successful trader and you is that um, you will get your experience from trading. Okay, so when you are trading, you will get some experience because you are going to be seeing whatever they taught you playing out, and you know when it happens, when it does not happen. Okay, but then somebody else that has gone back and then check left, check left, check left, check left, check left. He has looked for all the times that thing has happened. All right. So you, if you take one trade, you see one example. If you take another trade, you see another example. If you take a third trade, you will see one more example. But the difference now is that if you back test, if you go back and look for other examples apart from what you are seeing in your trading, you can go back and see like 50 examples, and that has added to your experience. That's added to your experience. Ignore the fact that that's already happened. Yes, what has happened is an indicator of what will still happen because um the way the market moves is the way the market moves and it doesn't change. It doesn't change in forex market, it doesn't change in crypto market, it doesn't change in stocks. All of them move the same way. You understand? So moving back to check. That's why I'm giving you guys assignment so that you guys can go back and actually check the chart to see different cases. If you have seen something 200 times and somebody else has seen it like 5,000 times, you can trust me that that person's eyes is going to be sharper than your own when it comes to seeing that particular thing in the marketplace. So I implore you guys that to get the best out of this training, what you must do is to practice and to backtest. So that's the way to get out of this training as a very, very good trader. You understand? So even after this training, I expect you guys to still be doing backtesting. So I may give you assignment and I may say take 40 of these examples, take 40 examples of said thing and then put it on your chart and submit it to me. After the training, some people may just say, all right, the training is done. So let's start trading. Every day you keep doing it, even if it's just 10 times or 5 times you see it, just do it and add it to your experience. You understand? So that's how this thing works. Immediately you start getting more experience, you'll be learning so much by just sitting down with the chart and trying to understand what is happening. You get so much experience, I can assure you. You understand? So yeah, that's just what I want to implore you guys about. All right, so that's how to get the best out of this training. I've done the first three topics here. We've covered that. Very good. I like the pace we are moving at. Are you guys still with me, please?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. All right now. So we move to the next part. Market structure basics. So who has heard anything about the fractal nature of price? What does it mean that price is fractal? Can somebody explain?
Can you repeat the question, please?
Does somebody have any idea of what it means that the market is fractal? If I say the markets are fractal or price is fractal, what do I mean by that?
From, so,
I think I have an idea.
Yeah, it doesn't have to be correct. Just say what you think.
Maybe price repeating itself.
Okay.
no, price is not constant. Price is not constant. It varies. It changes.
It means that what you see on one time frame, you can see it another time frame.
Exactly. Yes, that's what I want to hear. Thank you very much. Okwara, I think, right? Okay.
Yes.
Yes. So that's what price is fractal means. So what you see on one time frame is what you see on that time frame. Have you ever held a snail shell before? You see that it's getting round, 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 and it's as if the roundness is the same from top to bottom. You understand? So that's what we call the fractal nature of the market. If I am on this daily time frame now, I may see something similar on 1 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame, etc. For example, now let me show you something. Um, so look at this area now. The price move from here, it move up here now, it moves here, and then comes down. So that is one part of the market. If I go down to, if I label that area now, let me say I label it. Uh, so let me shade it now. This is the area I marked out. I'll shade it. If I go down to a 4 hour chart, for example, now, and I try and go back there. Okay, this is it here. So it's wasting my time, man. Okay, so you can see what we drew before. Okay, so we have up, down, then up again before. All right, so the same thing will occur on a lower time frame. This is a 4 hour time frame now, and we can see the same thing happening. All right, we can see something similar happening. It goes up first, comes down, goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down. So the market is currently is moving up and down, up and down, up and down. So after moving up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, it gets to a significant point, then it starts going down, start going down, start going down, start going down, start going down. So this one went up and down. This one went up and down. So this is like the bigger picture, this big one that went up, down, then it starts all over again. So it's just like you are zooming into something, but the thing is still remaining the same everywhere as you're looking at it. So that's what price is fractal means. So the significance of this thing now is that you can trade however you like. So what I mean by that is that you can trade very quickly or very slowly if you like. So this is a 4 hour chart now. For that means that for one candle to form, it will take 4 hours. For one candle to form, it will take 4 hours. So if I go um from this candle here now to, let me say, this candle here, let me measure it. If I measure that in, this means that this area is 8 days long. You can see this place, it says 8 days, 36 bars. But if I go down to a 1 minute chart now, the price is still going to look the same here. You can see up and down motion is on every time frame, up and down. On this particular time frame, one candle is formed every minute. One candle is formed every minute on 1 minute time frame. Okay, so that means that both the trader that is trading on 4 hour chart and the trader that is trading on 1 minute chart, both of them can make money. All right, so look at now. Let me measure a 1 minute chart now from here to From here now, we take 36 bars. 36 bars formed in 36 minutes. So somebody can take a trade and get out after 8 days, and another person can take a trade and get out after 36 minutes, depending on what they prefer, and both of them will still be able to make money. All right. So that's the beauty of the market being fractal. You can decide that you want to trade within a day. You can say, okay, I'm trading from 10 o'clock to 12 o'clock. And once you reach 12 o'clock, I'm closing for the day because I'm trading on 1 minute chart. You can also say that you are trading from 8 a.m. and you're closing your trades by 2 p.m. You can also say that you are trading from Tuesday to Thursday or Tuesday to Friday. You can say you are trading for the entire month. You're spending the entire month on the trade, depending on how your lifestyle is and the amount of time you can spend on the chart. All right. Or the amount of time you can spend holding a trade. So that means that if you are a very impatient person, you can simply trade on a lower time frame like this one. If you are more patient, you can trade on a higher time frame. You understand? So everybody can make money wherever they prefer to be. That's the importance and the good thing about the market being fractal. Hold on, let me check. 36 minutes. Okay. Um so yeah, that is the fractal nature of the market. Whatever happens on one time frame happens on the next time frame as well. So that's the basic concept. All right. So we'll stop at this range part. This is the topic we'll stop at today before I'll give you guys the assignment. So let's just run through the rest of it. Um, Two possible market conditions. So basically, when what the market always does is that it is moving up and down at all period in time. All right. So you can observe that on the chart. It's always moving up and down, up and down. The market does not move sideways. It moves up and it moves down, up and down. In general, you may say it's moving sideways. If you look at this thing now, you can say that in general, the price moves sideways. In general, it moves sideways here. Okay, but the truth is that even in that sideways motion, inside it, it was moving up and down, right? It's moving up and down inside it. So the market always moves up and down. There's no other way it can move. It always move up or down. So now, two possible market conditions. Either it's ranging or it's trending. Like I said about Twitter before, that Twitter is kind of like a ranging stock. It doesn't usually move up or down too much. It just stays in the same range for a long time. So a ranging market is one that doesn't show a sign that is moving up or down. Like here, for example, it's moving sideways, it's consolidating. This is what we call a ranging market condition. Here now, the market is trending, so it's trending upward. It's trending upward. This is what we call a trending market. It's trending. Here it's trending down, trending down, trending down, trending down. As you can see, all right. This small area is ranging. Has a range, okay. So all these places, the market was just trending downwards, as you can see here. All right. So we also have more downward trend here. We have an upward trend here. So the first market condition that you can notice, or the first type of condition that market can be in, is that it is ranging. This and that range here. It's just bouncing to and fro, but not going anywhere decisive. So these are ranging market conditions. I don't know why the chart is refreshing like this. Ranging. These are ranges here. You can see here too. Okay. You can see all the ranges. You can see. If you're a new trader, do you understand the meaning of a ranging market?
No, no.
So from my explanation now, you don't get it yet.
I get it. I do.
Yeah.
CJ, I think it's better if you start from teaching time frames. Now, what things that if a person to open a trading view now,
Mm.
what the first thing we see, like from time frame, analyzing of market now, biases, checking of directional biases. I think it would be better to use bias than using that trend line, like all those buying and selling bias. Not when you are going up, you buy. When you are going down, you're selling. I think we'll use more of that concept more than trending and ranging, that kind of stuff. You get.
Yeah, I get you, but if we start there
I
now,
think we just pick one word to be using throughout, even like one word to use throughout the whole lesson.
okay, okay, okay.
Yeah, we pick one word that you throughout the lesson. I mean, this up and down I saying now, some people don't even get what they mean by up and what you mean by down.
Okay,
I'm telling you.
okay, okay. If you have a question based on what I've said so far, please ask. I don't want anybody to be caught hanging. I'm teaching something that you're not understanding. So please, if you have not understood any part of this teaching so far, just unmute yourself and talk. Anybody?
Good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
I don't know, maybe because I missed the first lecture, but of truth, I'm completely lost. I'm just following the class.
Did you just join or it started from 8 o'clock?
Some minutes past 8, that was when I
Okay,
joined.
you are completely lost. Wow.
Yeah.
Did you check those basic lessons I gave you? You know that before the training started, before I started doing these live meetings now, I I showed you guys a folder now on Google Drive that you guys should check this folder and check the basic stuff. So did you check that all those basic stuff?
Of truth, I did not see the message. You know, you sent it and you broadcast it to everyone.
Mm.
But of truth, then I've not saved your number, so I did not save it.
Oh, but I posted it on the group now. You see, this thing now, this is why this thing is important. When I'm telling you guys, if I give you guys instructions, it's important that you follow it, even if you are busy. I gave you guys like 2 months. You guys had like 2 months. Or let me say, when I completed it, I gave you like 2 weeks before you guys started this training. So how would I even start explaining now? Okay, let me start from the scratch. All right. Please, after this teaching, go back to that file. I'll post it on the group again. Try and go through everything because if you don't go through it, you'll be lost here. And I'm saying the honest truth. So try and go through everything in that file so that you can get basic knowledge. The time frame that this guy just spoke about, I think that's Chido. He spoke about time frames, and I spoke about time frames in that folder. I spoke about almost everything that is just basic so that you guys can understand this concept more. But anyhow, Sha, I will do my best to break it down for you. So anywhere you're confused, just unmute yourself and talk. I beg. Any other person, or it's just Musa.
Sorry, my own issue is that up and down you're saying, is it those uptrends and downtrends?
Yeah. But I just wanted to make it clear that it is up and down every time. You understand? Before we go to, in an uptrend now, it is moving up more than it's moving down. Even an uptrend, we move up and down. You understand? It's just that in an uptrend, we move up more than we move down. So that's just the difference.
Chidra, I
Yeah.
think it will be better if you read those up and down in market terms. What's happening if it's going up? What's happening if it's going down? You
Okay.
get?
Yeah.
Yeah, if you like, relate to the market terms, it will be more better.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, what's happening if we see those candlesticks green, what's happening? If they are red, what's happening? That kind of stuff.
But sorry to say, I know that most of them they have the bearish and the bullish market. So I believe like someone can be going up and making profit, and someone who can be going down and making profit. So that just clarify it for me.
Okay. Okay. All right. So you guys should mellow down now. All right. So this is a price chart. This is a price chart now. Let me just go slow. This is a price chart. All right. So when you are trading, you want to buy when it's low and sell when it's high. All right. So when the market is moving now, if the market goes from if it goes from down here, for example, to up here, that means the price has increased. So just like you buy something now, let me say you bought a house or you bought a land now, you bought the land down here. Okay, so this movement, this kind of going down, going up, going down, going up, is just showing you how the price is changing. So that could mean that from here now, the price of your land was 1 million naira, and then when it got up to here, the price have increased to like 3 million. Okay, so that means you can buy your land down here at 1 million naira and sell it up here at 3 million naira and make 2 million naira profit. You get? So this means that the price have increased. All these green candles means that the price is going up, 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 up. All right. And when you see red, that means we are going down. We are going down. The price is reducing. Okay, that means the value or the price is reducing. Okay, so what we want to do, what we want to achieve in the marketplace is that we want to buy before it goes up. All right, anytime the market is going up, that means that those people that have bought already are making profit. If people buy and then you start seeing green, those people that have bought, they are making profit. Okay, so that means they're on the right side of the market. They bought and the price increase, they are going to make money. Okay, and when the price is going down, you have to sell. Okay, so you are selling when you know that the price will go down. Okay, so let me make a quick note here. You buy when you know that the price will go up. You don't buy when the price is going up. That's the mistake some people make, because some people may see that, hey, this is going up. Like, for example, now Bitcoin, people will hear their friends saying Bitcoin is going up or is going up, and then they quickly go and buy Bitcoin, and then it crashes, and then they start complaining. So you don't buy when it's already going up. You try and buy when it is about to go up or before it goes up. All right. So if you go and buy when it's already going up, you make some profit, but the market may reverse if you don't have enough knowledge. All right. So what we're trying to achieve in this training is to give you guys the tools that will help you know what to happen before it happens. All right. So basically, the green candles are up candles. They are showing that the price is increasing, and the red candles are down candles. They are showing that the price is reducing. Okay. So, and the market is either going up or going down. That's what we call a trend. We call it a trend when it has a direction. Let me type it out somewhere so that we would see clearly. All right, so trend. So a trend is when the price is either going up or down. Okay, so when the price is either going up or down, we call it a trend. When the price is either going up or down, we call it a trend. All right, so that means that this price moving up like this, that is a trend. This is a trending market, and in this kind of trend, we want to be buying. Okay, so because the trend is up now, we know that if we buy in this upward trend, we are going to make money if the price keeps going up. And in a downward trend like this now, we want to be selling. Okay, so we may decide to sell somewhere here now. You can see this is a good buy point. This is a good buy point. Imagine if you buy here, it keeps going up, buy here again. So these are the kind of places we are looking to buy from in this trend. All right, while in this downward trend now, we want to sell, because when we sell and the price reduce, we will make money as well. So when you're trading, you don't usually care the direction of the market. As long as your bias is correct, you will make money just like everybody else. All right, so that's basically it. We have um We have an uptrend, which is when the price is going up, and then we have the downtrend, which is when the price is going down, right? So, uh, yes, please, I want to admonish you guys to just obey instructions. Like Nigerians have that problem of not obeying instructions. I don't like how I'm going too backward like this. I said this that the reason I created that folder is so that I will not have to go back and be teaching basic stuff because I don't like teaching basic stuff. I'm not that good at it. You understand? I'm not that good at teaching basic stuff. Like the way you guys said I should go back now, like I didn't even imagine that such part exists. You understand? So please, anything I ask you to do, just try and do it. It's for your own benefit. It's for my own benefit. Just try, please. Don't be like majority. Don't be like majority of Nigerians that will just disregard instructions. See this person now, you're disobeying my instructions. I said if you're not speaking, don't omit yourself. Simple instructions, guys. Please just obey instructions. I beg. If you have not viewed that folder, go back and view it. Okay, please, 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 please obey instructions. All right. Okay. I just hope that everybody can grasp this. But if you can't grasp it, I won't actually kill myself. You understand? You guys will have to go back and do a little bit of research on your own. You understand? So, um, basically, we have two trends. We have the uptrend and we have the downtrend. The uptrend is the kind of situation that you would like to buy because when it is trending higher, we are seeing price going up, and if price is going up, you can only make money when you buy. All right. So, but if the price is going down, you can only make money when you sell. Do you all understand uptrend and downtrend? Musa,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm getting you now.
you are getting it right.
Yes, sir.
Please just give me a short
Sure.
explanation of uptrend and downtrend so that I will know that you understand it.
Okay, sir.
I said give me an explanation of uptrend and downtrend so I will know that you understand it. Explain in your own words.
Uptrend simply means when the market is going up.
Yes.
And he said when the market is going up, that's the best time. Before the market goes up, that's the best time to buy.
Yes.
And when the market is coming down, that means downtrend, and that's the best time to sell.
Yes. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
And green candles is,
Yeah, continue.
signifies uptrend, while the red candle signifies downtrend.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Thank you, man. I'm happy that you got it. Thank you very much. Does anybody have a question so far? Like anybody else? You're not clear. Please ask now. Does anybody else have a question based on what we spoke about so far? Or you not follow, even if you're not following so far? Don't mind that I'm quite not happy that you don't understand yet. Just ask me your question, please, so that you follow us along. So if you have a question, something is still confusing you, please speak now. Does anybody else have a question? Okay, I'll take it that everybody's clear. So, trend. Trend is when the price is either going up or down. Uptrend is when the price is going up. Downtrend is when the price is going down. So, the time you want to buy is during the uptrend or before the uptrend starts. But me, I don't usually buy when the uptrend starts. You guys will learn more about this later. I buy when it has already started, but I sell before it ends. You understand? So that I'll be part of that money making trade. You understand? While in a downtrend, we want to sell so that we can make money. Okay. So that's just basically it. So we have uptrends, we have downtrends. We've covered this part now. So the ranging market, like I said, is when the market is stuck. Okay, so it's not moving up nor down in the grand scale of things. Like you can see here now. For example, here, this is the low, this is the other low here. All right. So previously, previously the price was going down, but once it got to this area, it was going up and down, but it was still staying in the general area of these two lines. You understand? So when a ranging market is happening, it is a sign that we are about to go up or we are about to go down, and the participants of the market are trying to decide which way to go. You understand? It's like when you maybe if you are a church person or used to be a church person, I usually go for evangelism, all this big evangelism. All right. So there's a point that you guys will all be singing together, clapping together, going around. But then you now reach a junction. Everybody be wondering which junction should we follow? Which road should we follow? Should we follow this place? Maybe let's assume that there are many people in both roads now. You say, should we follow this road or should we follow this road? Some people will say, let's follow left. Some will say, let's follow right. And then the evangelism continues. So that's like what is happening here. People are trying to decide, should we go up or should we go down? In this case, they decided to go down. You understand? So that is what's happening in a ranging market. In a ranging market, what we'll have is indecision. So people are not decided where to push the market to, whether they want to push the market up or they want to push the markets down. You understand? So that is what is happening in a range. So in this place now, you can see there's a lot of people buying. That's how aggressive it is. This is an uptrend. So if you bought down here, let me say you bought here with one lot and you have 76 pips in a very short time. That is $760. Okay. Um, hold on, guys. Let me check this course outline. Did you guys learn how to calculate the amount of money we make per trade based on the pips in that basic part? Hmm?
I think we did, but I think we'll learn.
Okay, don't worry. We will still visit it later, Sha. Towards the end, we will learn how much you're making per trade. Don't worry about that. All right. So we'll move to the next part, Sha, which is let me see. Range as the smallest unit of market structure. All right. So this thing. Okay. So I explained what a ranging market is. Okay. But there's something we call a range. All right. There's something we call a range. A range is, look at this now. Let me zoom in. Look at this place now. Okay. This candle move up very aggressively. So the way it moved up like this now, we would say that this place is a range. It goes up, then comes down. That is one range in the market. Then it creates. Let me not explain it like this. Sorry, guys. Let me just put a blank chart. All right. Indicators. Okay. So in the market, you are going to see something like this. Generally, it goes up. If it's in an uptrend now, it will be going up like this. It will be going up like this. Okay. It will be going up like this. So it goes up, then people that are buying will lose a little bit strength, or they will sell some of their holdings so that they can make some money. Okay, without selling, you won't make any money. So when they push it up for some time, they will sell. All right. So let me say now, at this point, they have been buying for a long time. So many people will say, ah, we've gone very, very far. Let's start selling everything. So you will see the market start to crash. Okay. You see the market start to crash, start to crash, start to crash, start to crash. Then before, if we are still in an uptrend by this time, buyers will start coming in again. They will buy again. Okay. Then the market will start going up again, start going up again, start going up again. So you can see that we went up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, small ranges. Okay, just like what we talked about, the price is fractal. What you see in the small place, okay, what you see up and down in the small place will still happen on the larger scale. On the larger scale, we still have up, then down. All right. So what we want to talk about now is the range. Okay, so the range, imagine if we are looking at this whole structure now, what is the smallest unit or the smallest piece? Should I put it like that? The smallest piece will be when the market goes up then down. So just this part is our range. This up then down is our range. So that means that a range looks like this. So this is how a range looks. Okay, so let me say this range is on the 4 hour time frame. let's let's say, for example, now this range is on 4 hour time frame. 4 4 hour time frame range. Okay, so it went up, then went down. So that's how the range looks. So that means this is an uptrend, happy. If you go down to a lower time frame, it will look like this. You see it smaller, 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 smaller. Okay, it may look like this now on the smaller time frame. Then it came down, and came down to that place. So this is how the range will look on the smaller time frame. So the range is the smallest unit of price structure, and you don't need to understand the range fully now. Okay, but the range will be very, very useful when we go up later. Okay, because if you know the range now, let me tell you why the range is useful. The range is useful so that we can know when to buy or when to sell. Okay, so let's say that we are in an uptrend now. We're in an uptrend. I'm getting still trying to get used to this mouse. Okay, so this is a range here. We went up first. Let me use this thing so that you can see it. So went up, then we came down, then went up again, then we came down. So the reason why we need to know the range is so that we can know when the range is ending, so that we can start buying again. So if we buy here now and the range start coming down, we know that this range is about to end and a new range will soon form. So we want to take advantage of that new range that will form to make money. Okay. So a range will not be very clear to you now. I don't expect you guys to understand it very well now, but later on you will see why we need to know the range. If you know the range, you will know when is the good time to buy, when is the good time to sell. Okay, because if I just sell, let me say this thing is coming down and I don't wait for the new range to start, I can be stopped out and I'll lose money. You understand? But if I know that, okay, this place now, this is the start of the range, then it goes down, it ends here, it comes down here, I can now come and buy here and make money as the price goes down. So that's basically why we need to know the range. Okay, don't try to cram everything now, please. You will not understand it very well now, but as we go deeper, we're going to understand more and more and more and more and more. All right, so we've taken so much time here. I would like us to come to a close. Please, if you have any question about range, ask me before we get to the assignment?
I have a question.
Yes.
I thought you said um, the the movement of the price action movement. There
Mm,
are two types. Either it's trending or is on in a range.
yes.
Then what's the difference between that range and this particular range? Or are you talking about the smallest unit of a particular range?
Okay. There's like the words are the same thing, but they mean different things. I don't know if you understand. Like there's some English words that are the same spelling, but they mean different things. I don't know if you can call this in something else, but basically it's either price in a range or is in a trending market. Okay. But then this one movement of price going up then retracing. So if you go up like this, it's an impulse movement. If you come down, it's a correction. All right. So if we add the impulse plus the correction, that will give us the range. All right. So that is the range we are trading within. Or let me put it like this now. Let me put it like this. Let's look at a ranging part of price now, for example. Let's look at the ranging part of price. Let's look at the ranging parts. Let me try and find. Okay. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. This is perfect. So this place is the top of the range, and this place is the bottom of the range. There are some people that will buy when it gets to the top of the range because they know that price is bouncing between this place now. Okay. They know that this is our range from the top here to the bottom here. That's our range. Okay. So we want to buy to sell at the top and buy at the bottom. So when it comes down, we want to buy. When it goes towards the top, we want to sell. So that is an example of a range in price. This is a range in price. But then sometimes the market is trending. All right. So that means that it's not staying in one spot. So that means that the new range in price in this particular scenario, it is changing. So that means the price movement is now dynamic. So we have to follow the price like that. That means that from this will be the top here, and then this will be the bottom. So this is our range in this case. But once the price goes above it, the range will now change. This will now be the new bottom of the range, and then this will be the new top of the range. It is saying similar things actually, okay, but then it doesn't mean the same thing exactly. Doesn't mean the same thing exactly. We call this a ranging market and we also call this in a range, but they mean two totally different things. All right, but just keep the two meanings in mind. But what I want you to know more is this particular range here. All right, because this one is more useful to us moving forward. So, Daniel, they mean different things, but it's the same word. Do you get?
Yeah, yeah, yes, yes.
So they mean different things, but it's the same word. Let's just put it like that. Any other question?
So are you like
Come again.
I said, are you like doing this
Yes, yes, yes. I'm recording it. I'm recording it. I'll send the link to the group. Any other question?
Okay, to be clear,
Yes.
are you trying to say that a range in this case is the distance between the movement of the market in one direction and then the retracement, that's
Yes.
the correction back to that same position?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Is that what the range is, like the distance from
The
point A
top
to
to the
point B?
bottom. Yes, that's the range. If I say
Okay.
the range of an uptrend is the place where it started to the place where it ended, that's the range. Okay, so in an uptrend, the range is constantly shifting, but in a ranging market, it's staying the same.
It stays the same. Okay.
Exactly. So that's what I'm trying to say here. Okay. Any other
All
person?
right.
Okay, I will assume that there's no other question, and I don't even know what to give you as assignment now. Okay, so as an assignment, I want you guys to what will I give you guys now? Okay, number one, you find you take a screenshot of an uptrend, okay, and then you take okay. First of all, does everybody know how to operate a chart, like a chart like this? You know how to operate it, to annotate it, and other things like that. Do we all know how to do that?
I will speak for myself. Me, I don't know how to do it.
Okay, okay, okay,
So
okay.
this is the way you're operating it right
Eh?
now. Like the way you're operating it right now.
Yes, the way I'm shifting the charts, drawing things on the chart. Do we all know how to do
Yeah,
it?
it's normal.
Eh?
I know how to do it.
You know how to do it,
But I don't
right?
know others.
Okay, okay. So, um, Musa said he doesn't know how to do it, Sha. So what I will do is that I will release a short video within like 30 minutes after this class. I will release a video on how to just operate your chat for people that are new. You understand? So that we'll be able to submit our assignments and stuff like that. You understand? So I'll release that video. I'll show you guys how to use trading view, for example, and also will I use MetaTrader? No, MetaTrader will come later. Or okay, you guys already have MetaTrader in that folder. Please, guys, check that folder for everything that is there. Try and go through it, please, 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 because if you go through it, all these questions, all these small, small things will not be coming in by this time. You understand? Please go through those that folder I said resources for this course. Then there's a link under it. Go there, check everything, read it, listen to all the voice notes, everything that is there. Just go through it, please. All right. So I will release a video on how to use TradingView, just a short video. Even though in that folder as well, there's a TradingView video. So you guys see that any most of the questions that you're having that is very basic, I've already um, put something there that help you learn. But still, I'll release a short video on how to move the chart like this. You understand? Okay, so what I want you guys to do for your assignment is that you would find a trend for me. Okay, find a trend. Sorry, let me get my mouse. This glide pad is disturbing me.
Hello. No, please, I didn't really get your assignment.
I've not given the assignment yet, though. Sorry, I went to get my mouse. Yes, so this is better for me. Okay, so the assignment is that let me type it out so that everybody will be clear on what the assignment is. So assignments is that you would take 10 screenshots of an uptrend or of uptrends. I think this is better of uptrends. So that means you will go to your chart now. For example, this is an uptrend here. You just capture this uptrend. You can look at it now. It is going up, 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 up. So capture the uptrend like this. Now you take a screenshot here. You can copy chart image. Come to any text editor and paste it. Come to any text editor and paste it. All right. So just paste it there. So you will do 10 of these now. 10 of these. Just put 10 examples there of uptrends. It can be any time frame. I don't care. Just put uptrend. I just want to make sure that everybody knows what uptrend is and what uptrend looks like. Okay, so you can, for example, this is 1 minute now. If you check the whole of 1 minute chart and you have exhausted all the uptrend, you can go to a 15 minutes chart. Okay, check for uptrends there as well. You can say For example, this one now is an uptrend as well. Okay, so you can capture this one as well and put it for me. Okay, things like that. Then after taking 10 screenshot of uptrend, you would also take 10 screenshots of downtrends. All right, and then give me 10 examples of a range by showing the top and the bottom. So the way you do this one now is that you go to a chart now. You can look for a range. For example, this is what I okay. So for example, now this is a range. It went down to here, then it went up to here before you continue down. So this is one range now. So you will zoom in here. Look at this zoom icon here. You can just zoom in here, then say, let me delete these things. Okay, you would mark out the top of the line. Look at this now. You give me horizontal ray, you put it there. You get another horizontal ray and put it at the bottom of the range. Okay, so you would now say edit that line and put a text there. You can say top of range. And next one you edit it as well. Edit this one as well. So to edit it, I'm just double clicking the line to edit it to bring out this window. Okay, so this one will be bottom of range, right? So then you take a screenshot, come here, copy chat image, or you can um, use save chat image, anyone that you like. If you use save chat image, you should download the image to your laptop or to your phone or whatever you're using. So then you come back to your folder or to your file and then paste the image there, right? So it will show this in your file and I'll be able to see it as well. Okay, so take 10 screenshot of uptrend, take 10 screenshot of downtrend, and give me 10 examples of range by showing the top and the bottom. So that's like 30 different cases here. So I will do the assignment as well so that you guys don't have any excuse. Every assignment that is in this training, I will do my own too, so that someone will not tell me that it's hard or whatever um whatever bullshit excuse that people usually have. I don't like excuses like that. So basically, this is how your assignment is going to look like. Number one, take 10 screenshot of uptrend. Number two, take 10 screenshot of downtrend. And number three, take 10 screenshot of a range and show the bottom and the top. All right. Do we all get these assignments now?
Sorry, like you said us to go back to that folder and get to know the basics. So us going back to the folder is like we just have like doing this assignment. So I don't know about from the table.
Okay, you guys want to go back to the folder to check everything, but
Yeah, for me, I want to like refresh myself. I can't actually do this, but from transport to something.
okay. So how long do you guys need to do that?
Yeah, I think like get to it.
Huh?
I said for me, it can take me like a day.
Yeah, okay, okay. Um Musa, um have you checked that folder before?
No, sir.
You did not see anything in there
No
before.
problem. I'll check it this night.
Okay. Look at guys. This assignment is not hard. Okay, so it's very simple and straightforward. You guys have tomorrow now. You guys have tomorrow to check out that folder. Our next class is on Monday. Okay, so that means that tomorrow is free for you guys to just check anything in that folder that I have missed. That let me open the folder for you guys, so that you would see what is there. Let me open the folder. Let me see. Where is it? Look at it. Let me show you what is inside it. So this is the folder here, guys. I showed you number one how to create a Forex account. You click that link there. It will link you to a YouTube video I created on how to create Forex account with Hot Forex. And then I included the link to Hot Forex site here. So you can click the link and go to Hot Forex and register. Okay. The next thing that is here, I showed you guys, I told you guys what is Forex. So I explained the Forex market. This is a voice note. I explained everything about Forex markets. So what you just do is to click all these links and go through the content. So here now you watch a video. Here, this place is a recording. You play it. This one as well is a recording. You play it. All right. So um market participants is also an audio recording. Currency pairs. I think this is a PDF. I typed up a PDF for you guys explaining currency pairs. All right. And then complete trading view tutorial. This trading view I'm using and that is confusing and mesmerizing you. I gave you guys a link to a YouTube video that will show you how to operate trading view on your own. See that all these problems are your fault, okay? All these problems are your fault. So just go through all these things. This is a trading view tutorial so that you will learn how to use this thing from beginning to the end, okay? At least all the things that you need here, you will learn how to do it on that tutorial. Other types in Forex, then this is a video showing you sell limit, buy limit, sell stop, buy stop, other types in Forex. Okay, then how to use MetaTrader. This is a folder in Google Drive. If you click on the folder now and you open it, you will see um you see three different videos now. Using MetaTrader on Android is the first video. Then using MetaTrader on PC, that is your computer. Okay, second video. I don't have a Mac, so I don't have a video for MacBook here, but I'm expecting that MacBook will be very, very similar to Windows PC. Okay, and then we have using MetaTrader on iOS. So this is for iPhones here. Okay, so everything that you guys need is here in this resources folder. I don't know why I will be announcing it and you guys won't do anything about it. It's quite disheartening, right? So then I also explained what your edge is. Okay, I went down to market sessions. I showed you guys this place is a PDF. Best time to trade in Nigeria. What are the different sessions? The London session, New York session, candlestick. I explained candlestick in this video here. I explained candlestick up, down, high, low, everything. Then time frames as well. This one that time frames is confusing you guys. I explained it. So everything, every basic thing that I think that you guys need is here. Okay, so please, please, please finish it tomorrow. Finish it tomorrow. Then before Monday evening, you should be able to finish your assignment. But because I'm adding this extra thing for you guys, I will not remove you guys on Tuesday evening. I will give you guys grace till Wednesday evening. So after Wednesday's class is when the first removal will begin. But I'm expecting you guys to go ahead and go through these resources and finish everything. Okay. So when you finish these resources, if you have not gone through these resources yet, I'll post the link on the group and on the broadcast list. I'll post the link there. Then you will now do this assignment for me. Okay, the assignment is gone. Let me go back to the assignment. Sorry. You go to these assignments. Look at the three questions again. If you have not written down the questions, please write them down. Write down the questions, please. Take 10 screenshot of uptrend, 10 screenshot of downtrend, and 10 screenshot of a range by showing the top and bottom. So once you finish the resources part, you come here and do the assignment. So I'm expecting you guys assignments. Some of you have finished the resources part, so I'm expecting assignments by tomorrow at least. Okay, so you guys have till Tuesday to bring in this assignment for me. So I'll give you guys the whole of tomorrow to study this folder. Then on Monday now you can do this assignment and submit it to me. Okay, so by Wednesday evening is when the first removals will happen. So guys, please work hard. When I give you instructions, please do it so that we will not have hiccups like this. Okay, all this moving backward is wasting our time. All right, so are we all clear?
Yes, 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 yes.
So how do you submit the assignment?
You
Do
will-
you as
is it what?
do you provide it to PDF
Yes,
and send it to
you
me?
save it as PDF and submit in my DM.
Okay.
Okay. Anybody
Right now
else?
I'm using a phone to
Okay, okay, you're using a phone.
yes.
Okay, I will show you guys how to use TradingView on your phone. That will be okay, ba?
Yes.
Yeah, yeah, that is better.
Okay. Somebody else speaking. Okwara, are you saying something?
What do you say?
I was asking if you had a question.
Okay, I just wanted to know how we submit the assignment.
Okay, okay,
Since you
okay.
said it's PDF.
Just save it as a Word document or PDF and submit the file in my DM.
Okay.
Yes, so if you guys have not finished that, please mute yourself. uh If you guys have not finished that resources, please, for the 1 millionth time, finish it and do the assignment, please. Okay. So any question, any suggestion, we want to end it here. I've been here for 1 hour, 30 minutes. I would send the recording to the group as well. So if you have any question, please ask.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening.
I'm able to access the resource
Mm,
through Drive.
okay.
So I don't if there's another way or another place you can post it, maybe even if it's Telegram or I don't know, where you can post it so that I will get it there, I will download it there and then get it on my phone. That have been what has been holding me since. So I don't know.
The you can't access on Google Drive. Which file is that? Is it all of them? Hello? Is it all the files? Uh-uh. Where is that guy that just spoke? Is he all,
But most of them,
most of them are not playing on your phone?
yes. See like currency pair, edge, and there's another one again. But how to use MetaTrader, that one is working. And
Okay.
then the video that are all working that I can access them.
Okay.
But
Okay. I think even one other person had this problem that all those audio files are not playing. So what I will do is that,
yes, yes.
so for some of those ones that have complaints now, I would upload them on a Telegram channel. I would send you guys a link so that you guys can join there and just download it properly and listen to it.
Oh, thank you very much, sir.
So that's basically. But as per uploading the recording on Telegram, usually very very big now. If I close this recording now, I may see like 400 MB or 200 MB. I cannot take it to Google Drive, then take it down to Telegram channel. It will not be possible for me because that is a lot of money I'm just wasting. You grab. So all these bigger recordings, I won't be able to do that. But for those ones that are on the resources channel, those ones are very light. So I would apply those ones today. All right. So any other person, any other suggestion? Okay, no other suggestion.
Yeah. Just say thank you for the night.
Okay, you guys enjoyed the class, or it was too boring?
No one of us what
Eh?
Eh?
You enjoyed the class? Okay, thank you very much. Any other feedback? I want to know whether you guys want to.
The class was done. Yeah, I saw it. That was done.
Okay.
The way you had to break it down. Okay. Thank you.
All right. Thank you very much. I just want to know that every class now will be doing this feedback session so that I know if I'm being too serious or whatever, or you guys are sleeping. Understand? So I'm happy that you guys enjoyed today's zone. That will be till Monday now. So the thing you guys have to do, remember, last note. First of all, finish those resources if you have not finished it. Second of all, you do the assignment and submit it in my DM before Tuesday night, before Tuesday's class. Finish it and report in my DM. Okay, we'll have a class on Monday as well. All right, and then on Wednesday we'll have our first eviction, like BB Ninja. So with that, guys, good night. I'm very very happy to have had you guys
Um,
today.
CGI, sorry, I wanted to make a suggestion.
Okay,
This assignment is going to contain a lot of pictures and everything. Won't it be better if we send it to your email?
come again. Sorry, Okwara, please mute yourself. Come
Due to
again.
the due to the size of the assignment, like a lot of pictures and everything, I feel like it may be large. Won't it be better if we send it
No,
to your email?
don't send me separate pictures or put all the pictures in one file. You put it inside one document or one PDF. I think you guys are just like 100, so I won't have much problem. In fact, after this first two assignments, I'm sure I'll remove like 70 people because people are not even coming on this on this live. So I will move a lot of people, so I'll be able to handle it. Don't worry. But please, you are not sending me separate pictures. Put all the pictures inside one document. Then submit that document to me. That's what you're supposed to do. Don't send me 10 pictures or 30 pictures. I won't like that kind of situation. All right?
All right. Oh.
Okay. Any other person? Any other question, feedback, suggestion? For the lady that just joined, Lillian, we have a recording, Sha. You have to watch the recording because we are rounding up right now. So yeah. Any other question?
You can just send us the question on WhatsApp. I didn't really write it down.
Okay, don't worry, I'll do that. All right, guys. Any other question you have, send it on the group. All right. So if you still have any suggestion or question, put it down on the group, and I'll be there to answer. I'm going to sleep right now, Sha. I usually sleep by 10. So, but tomorrow I would answer any question that you guys have. So that will be the end of tonight's session.
Enjoy your sleep.
Thank you, sir. All
Yeah.
right.
Good night.
Good night. Thank you guys very much. Yeah.
Thank you, boss.
Yeah. Can leave the meeting now.